This is what your Windows 11 look like after end of this video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show that how to install this colorful macOS theme on your Windows 11 computer. I'll show you step by step how to install this theme and how to install this icon pack as well. So let's dive into the video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you that how to install this colorful macOS theme on your Windows 11 computer. I'll show you step by step how to install this theme. And this theme is called macOS Bloom theme, and you need to download these files. All links are given in the description box or check pin comments. And one more thing, this customization is not going to affect your system performance, and I already installed the macOS dock. If you want to install this macOS dock, check out the link in the description or check pin comments. I'll put the link in the comment section. Okay, let's begin. First, you have to create a restore point. If anything goes wrong, you can revert your system. Just search create a restore point and then select a C drive and then click on create and give it a name and then click on create. So it will create a restore point. If anything goes wrong, you can revert your system using this restore point. Restore point has been created. Now we need to ready our system for using any custom theme. You have to download this tool called SecurX theme tool. Just unzip these files and cut this folder and paste into your C drive. Okay, now open this SecurX theme tool, and here you can see this theme tool. Just right click on it and then click on run as administrator and then click on yes and then click on OK. Okay, then you have to select these two boxes and then click on install. So it will record reboot. I already installed it, not going to install it again. After reboot, you have to install the theme. Okay, here is the theme. Just unzip these theme files and copy these theme files and go to C drive, go to Windows and then go to resources, go to themes and paste it here. Okay, now we have to apply the theme. Just go to C drive and open SecurX theme tool again, right click on it and then click on run as administrator and then click on yes. Okay, then you have to select this macOS Bloom dark theme and then click on apply. So it will apply the theme. Okay, theme has been applied. Now we need to install this tool called Start All Back. Double click on it, click on install for me and then you will see a pop-up like this. Just close it and right click on your taskbar and then click on properties and turn off this taskbar and then click on restart now and go to start menu and turn off it as well and then go to Explorer tab, and in here you have to select Windows 7 command bar. Okay, this is it. Now we have to install the icon pack. To install the icon pack, we need to use this tool called 70sp. Just right click on it and extract the files and open it, and we have to rename it. Right click on it and then click on rename and make it EE2EXE. Okay, then here is the icon pack folder. Right click on it and unzip it. Okay, then we have to use this tool called 70sp. Just right click on it and then click on run as administrator and then click on yes, then click on yes. Okay, now in here you have to select the icon pack, click on add custom pack and then you have to select macOS Bloom icon pack folder, and here you can see this 70sp colorful macOS icon pack. Just select that icon pack and then click on start and then click on yes. So it will take some time to complete the installation process. I'll be right back after completing the installation process. Okay, icon pack installation has been complete. Just click on yes to restart your computer. Okay, we're almost done. Icon pack has been installed, and now if you want to add some blur effect, you can use this tool called release the blur maker. Right click on it and extract files and then cut this folder and then paste it into C drive and then open this release folder and open this config file, and now we need to make some changes here. just show line true, make it false, and make it around, and make some changes here, and then click on file and then save. Okay, now click on this register button and click on run as administrator, and then click on yes, and then click on OK. So it will apply the blur effect. So blur effect has been added, and if you want to add some top menu bar, you can check out this Rainmaker skins. I'll put the link in the description box. And this is it. This is how you can transform your Windows 11 and try something new. So I hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next customization video.